Rewarded Play and KashKick both let you earn rewards online, but they are built for completely different types of users. Rewarded Play focuses on mobile gaming, while KashKick includes multiple earning categories beyond games. By the end of this video, you'll know which app fits your goals better, and which one is likely to give you the experience you're actually looking for. If your main goal is getting rewarded for playing games on your phone, Rewarded Play has the simpler setup. You install the app, choose games from its recommended list, launch them through the app, and earn points as your gameplay is tracked. The entire experience is centered around mobile games, so you don't have to sort through unrelated offers to get started. KashKick takes a broader approach. Instead of focusing only on games, it includes different ways to earn rewards, such as completing offers, trying apps, playing selected games, and participating in surveys. That gives you more variety, but it also means you'll spend more time deciding which offers are worth completing. The biggest difference is consistency. With Rewarded Play, you generally know what you'll be doing every time you open the app. You'll play games, track your progress, and redeem points when you've earned enough. If you enjoy casual gaming every day, that straightforward experience is a big advantage. With KashKick, your earnings depend on the offers currently available. One day you may find several game offers that interest you. Another day the best opportunities could be surveys or app downloads instead. If you like switching between different earning methods, that flexibility can work in your favor. Whichever app you choose, follow a few simple habits. Always read the offer requirements before you begin. Launch games through the platform, instead of opening them directly from your home screen. Keep your account information consistent, and don't use multiple accounts or unsupported devices, since that can interfere with reward tracking. It's also smart to check for new offers regularly. Both platforms update available opportunities over time, and a game or offer that wasn't available last week could appear the next time you open the app. So which one is better? If you want an app built specifically around playing mobile games, Rewarded Play is the stronger choice because that's exactly what it was designed to do. If you want more ways to earn and don't mind mixing games with surveys and other offers, KashKick gives you more variety. The best option depends on how you want to spend your time. Pick Rewarded Play for a gaming-first experience. Choose KashKick if you want multiple earning methods, and stay consistent with whichever platform you use. If this comparison helped, like the video, subscribe and check out the next comparison on the channel.